Hello friends, welcome back to PLC Programming Tutorials, and in this video we are going to start counters. So let's begin. So the first question we have is code a ladder logic using counter such that when x0 is pressed 3 times then y0 should be on, and when x1 is pressed once y0 should be off. So here we have to use two push buttons, one counter and multiple NO contacts and NC contacts. So let's begin and build this ladder logic. So first of all we need NO contact and we place it over here, and next we need a counter. Okay, so I associate this contact with the input 0. So in the question we have to count 3 times. So for that I have to change the preset of this counter, that is 10 to 3. So I go to data and change this preset to 3. Okay, so I have also to connect the counting bit, CU bit, with the out 0 in order to turn on the counter, and now we will add more contacts. That what will be happen that when the counter will count the third object, so the output is turned on. So for that I have connected this contact, that is normally open contact, and then I will associate this contact with the DN bit, output bit, and I will connect an output coil that will be turned on. So I need output coil. Okay, so when the DN bit of the counter is turned on, we have to latch the output. So we need another contact, normally open contact, and I connect it over here. Okay, so we have also to reset the counter. So for that I connect this reset coil in parallel with the output coil, that when this output is turned on, the reset coil is also turned on, that will reset this counter. And finally we need a normally closed contact, because we have to reset the counter, and we also connect a push button that when we press it, this contact, normally closed contact, will become open, and that will break the signal, and this output coil is unlatched. So I connected the normally closed contact over here. So here we have done. And the next thing we have to do is duplicate this push button and connect it over here. And connect the other end of the push button with the input one. Make sure you have connected the first end properly with the 24 volts, otherwise it will create problem, it will not work. Okay, so let's associate this contact with the DN bit. and we have to latch the output. So I configure this output coil and connect with the out1, and this contact also with the output, and this normally closed contact with the input 1, and this normally closed contact with the input 1. And finally this reset coil. Okay, so we have done. So let's simulate it. So when I press the push button first time, then you will see that this counter will count 1. So when I press it, the counter counts 1, and when I press second time it will count 2, and when I press the third time, then the output is latched and the reset coil is also turned on, that reset this counter, and this counter goes to 0 again. So when I press the second push button, the output is unlatched. So when I press it, the output goes unlatched. So this is very simple logic, and I hope you have understand. So in the next video we are going to perform this second question that is also related to counter. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.